It is now almost 3:30. Today is the last day of my day off. I didn't do anything. I was just here at home, but I'm satisfied today because I did some editing on my website and I learned new things about internet. Yeah. This time I am going outside. I'm going to eat. Yeah, with this feeling, it feels like it's already summer. Yeah, but it's still a little windy but being windy is windy. It's normal windy. Windy. Yeah, it feels like summer already, but because it is very windy. How to pronounce windy? How to pronounce windy? Yeah. Yeah, I was just here. I put my bike there. I had a conversation with one of the old guy here, passing through here with his bike. He said that those birds that are diving under the water to catch the fish are called cormorant. Yeah, they are cormorant. Just now I learned. Yeah, it is always good to speak to people, but I am very shy to start a conversation. Oh, nice, look at that. I'm also filming the view here, also those pelican. I have this camera, and as you can see here, a lot of fish here. Yeah, small fish all over the side of this marina. And it is not allowed to fish here. I don't have my fishing rod with me. I didn't bring because my plan is to eat in that restaurant, but I don't know where to place my bike. Yeah, we're just going to eat here in the takeaway. Bacon and egg roll, and then maybe soft drinks. Look at that, it looks beautiful here in the camera, and it is in person. Yeah, we're waiting for the egg roll, bacon and egg roll, and I will also have this Pepsi. Yeah, that is the guy that I speak with. He told me that the bird is called cormorant. They are using a scooter for kids. Family day today. A lot of people. Yeah, this is the sandwich that I bought there. It's egg and bacon roll, egg roll. And I'm going to eat it on the shady area under the tree. Yeah, that guy in white, he tried this bike. He said it's fantastic. I asked him if it is his first time to try the electric bike. He said yes. He said it's fantastic. Yeah, the time now is 5:45 and it's still bright outside. Still like this, the sun is still up there. Yeah, these days the sun goes down at around 7:30. Nice. Look, there are people playing football. early because you know maybe the time now is 6 o'clock, but yeah, the sun is still there. Oh, look at that folding bike. Yeah, nice. Yeah, we're going inside to buy rice. Oh, I forgot this. I need to remove this helmet. I was just here yesterday, but I didn't bought rice because it's heavy. Yeah, so I'm going to take one now. Just this one, the cheap one. This is jasmine rice, Woolworth, 230. The other one, the branded one, is 320. Just 1 kilo. Yeah, I just bought this rice and laundry soap. Oh, there's a new bike here. This house is for sale and it's beautiful. Yeah, look at that. It's still there is still the sun outside. At the time now is 6:20. But you know, the shop and the restaurant outside are already closed. Most of them. Yeah. They're supposed to be open until at least when the sun goes down. But already closed. The restaurant who are serving alcohol, they are still open. Like their bar, pub, they are still open mostly. Especially in Sydney. It is now 7 o'clock. And usually I am watching this. Yeah, this is a Korean Taper. I always watch this whenever I'm home. Yeah, and I'll be having this, my dinner, a rice and pancit bihon. This is actually a sutanghon, like a vermicelli soup, but the water is gone. To hang on, can't stop, just gotta went right to survive. Oh, why there is a Port Stephen bus here? Yeah, this is the local bus service here in Port Stephen. We can't stop, we're feeling too strong. We have got the world to handle. Yeah, we're going home now. This looks like it's going to rain. Good afternoon. Thank you. This morning was very windy. And now it's like this. But if you notice, yesterday it was very sunny, almost no clouds. And look at that, this looks like a grandstand. Yeah, not yet finished but almost visible.